How to find Telegram channels. Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to find Telegram channels. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video very carefully because I'll teach you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go! So right now, let's head over to our Telegram. And then you can search for channels by clicking the search icon right here. So click on that and you can just search something like Marvel Comics, and it should be able to show you some channels that are well known and has a lot of subscribers. So you can just click on the specific channel, and in there you can see this join icon. So you can click on that and you should be able to join the specific channel. So the next thing you can do is to head over to any browser that you have. You can do this on any device. You can do this on iPhone, on Android, or on computer. So let's head over to my Google Chrome. Then after that, I'll just create a new tab and search for Telegram channels.me, like that, and you will see this right here. So let's click on that. And you should be able to see here and discover some channels. So as you can see, there are some channels for Forex Gold, ChatGPT, Darknet, and all of that. But if you're looking for something more specific, then you can just search on here and then filter a channel or filter this to channel. And let's try to search again here for Marvel Comics. Click on search. And as we search for it, as you can see, there's a lot more channel that has appeared rather than earlier. So once you're done with that, you can also create a channel on your own. You can do so by clicking this pencil icon right here, clicking this new channel, and renaming your channel to something. So let's name it channel of mine. You can add a description, but you can also not provide that. You can add a picture and also an emoji, and once you're satisfied with everything, just click on this check right here, and then you can choose to make it a public channel or a private channel. So a private channel is only accessible by invite link, which is right here, and you can copy it and share it to friends that you want to invite for your channel. And after that, click on this check mark right here, and you can add anyone that you want to add in it. Then as you can see, the channel has been created. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to find Telegram channels. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!